As we just saw in the story with Molly at Velocity Partners, finding the right person, the ways to connect with them, simple in concept, but it's something that can be very difficult to do. But it's incredibly important and a primary use case when it comes to relationship intelligence. And so in this demo, I'm excited to show you how we're making this an easier process for you. So let's say we're looking for a successful growth stage CTO, just as Molly was in the story. What I can do is open up Affinity, come over here and start collaborating with my Affinity data. Let's just ask, do I know any successful growth stage CTOs? From here, Affinity is going to analyze all the relationship data, interaction data, job titles, industry experience data across the firm's network to identify all of these CTOs that match this request, right? This query. So it's shown 6 of 25. Amazing. Our network is very strong, but I'm kind of pressed for time. I don't want to have to go through all of these different candidates to see which ones match the criteria. And so I'm really looking for someone that has experience in healthcare. So let's see. Let's continue this collaboration. Do any of these CTOs have experience in healthcare? Now Affinity is going to look within this subset of results, see if any of them do have experience in healthcare. And it looks like they do. Amazing. So we have a few. Now we refine this list down to a much more manageable list. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Ernesto. Let's see. And so actually it looks like there's folks in the firm that reach out with him frequently and have a pretty warm relationship there. So I'm going to talk to Elena and Jody to see if we can get a meeting set up to talk about this opportunity. In the meantime, right, I can still access all of the other data points and learn more about Ernesto. And so what this is doing, right, is providing the ability to fully understand your whole networks through simple conversation. This will be available to all customers at the beginning of next year. This is a very early proof of concept. We're still working to fine tune it to make it the best experience that we can. We're just getting started when it comes to the power of combining the highest quality private capital data and AI.